Hello and welcome. Today, we're talking about one of the most vital safety devices in your home, the smoke alarm. These small but powerful devices are your first line of defense against the devastating effects of a house fire. They provide crucial early warning, giving your family precious time to escape safely. Knowing how to properly install and maintain them is a responsibility every homeowner should embrace. Before we dive into installation, let's quickly understand the two main types of smoke alarms. Ionization alarms are generally more responsive to fast-flaming fires. They detect invisible combustion particles. Photoelectric alarms, on the other hand, are typically better at detecting slow, smoldering fires. They sense visible particles. For comprehensive protection, many experts recommend installing both types or opting for dual sensor alarms. Proper placement is key to effective smoke alarm operation. You should install smoke alarms on every level of your home, including the basement. This ensures coverage throughout the entire living space. Place them inside each bedroom and outside every sleeping area. For homes with vaulted ceilings, install alarms at the highest point. Smoke rises, so this placement maximizes detection. Avoid placing alarms too close to kitchens or bathrooms, as cooking fumes or steam can trigger false alarms. Keep them at least 10 feet away from cooking appliances to prevent nuisance alarms. First, choose your specific mounting location based on the guidelines we just discussed. Most smoke alarms come with a mounting bracket and screws. Use a pencil to mark the screw holes on the ceiling or wall. Next, drill pilot holes at your marked spots. Insert the plastic anchors if you are drilling into drywall. Then, secure the mounting bracket firmly to the ceiling or wall using the provided screws. Now, insert the batteries into the smoke alarm unit. Pay close attention to the positive and negative terminals to ensure correct polarity. Most alarms use standard AA or 9-volt batteries. Finally, align the smoke alarm with the mounting bracket and twist it clockwise until it clicks securely into place. Some models may simply snap on. Refer to your specific alarm's instructions for precise attachment. Once your smoke alarm is installed, the very first thing you must do is test it. Press and hold the test button on the alarm for a few seconds. You should hear a loud, piercing alarm sound. This confirms the alarm is functioning correctly and the batteries are properly installed. If you do not hear the alarm, check the battery placement or replace the batteries. Never skip this crucial step. You should test all your smoke alarms at least once a month. Simply press the test button on each unit to ensure it sounds. This routine check takes only a few moments, but provides immense peace of mind. Replace the batteries in your smoke alarms at least once a year. A good practice is to do this when you change your clocks for daylight saving time. If your alarm chirps, it means the battery is low and needs immediate replacement. Smoke alarms have a lifespan of about 10 years. After this period, the internal components can degrade, making them less reliable. Check the manufacturing date on the back of your alarm and replace any units older than 10 years. Regularly clean your smoke alarms to prevent dust and debris from interfering with their sensors. Use a soft brush or the soft brush attachment of your vacuum cleaner to gently clear any buildup around the vents. Do this monthly. Installing and maintaining smoke alarms is a simple yet incredibly effective way to protect your family and home from fire. Remember, early detection saves lives. Take these steps seriously. By following these guidelines for installation, regular testing, and timely replacement, you are building a safer environment for everyone under your roof. Stay safe, and thank you for joining us.